So how many of you have been caught looking at something on your smartphone that you shouldn't have been in the last few weeks? So the question now is, should you get the ZAGG Invisible Shield Elite Privacy Glass for $45? Only if it's on sale, and it's a good sale. At Mobile Reviews, Monty and I base all our reviews on actual usage. We're not strangers to ZAGG products. This is like $200-300 worth of ZAGG glass that we've gone and bought ourselves. We may not be the biggest name in tech reviews, but we are working on being the best. We're basically going to be the Wagyu beef of reviews. So the next few minutes, I'm going to talk about the privacy angles, the coverage, the hardness, the brightness, and the clarity loss that this product is going to give your iPhone. When it comes to the impact protection, I am kind of curious to know how it's going to hold up against some of the other ZAGG products that I've tested. I'm assuming it's going to do the same, but maybe I'll be surprised. That would be great, because I'm never surprised by ZAGG products. Now when it comes to the angle of the blackout on Edith, my custom machine that I use to measure angles, and my custom app, I measure the angles to be about 45 degrees. So it blacks out when you're looking at the screen at 45 degrees, which isn't anything special. That's pretty much the standard angle. So I'm guessing it's the same film between this and maybe something from 3M. Maybe 3M supplies the film, I don't know, but 45 degrees is the blackout angle. Anything smaller is going to get annoying. Anything bigger is going to work a little better, as you won't see a lot of flickering. There's a video on that if you want to know why I find these privacy screen protectors incredibly annoying. Now, as a privacy screen protector, does it fully black out your screen? It does not. Even right now, I'm at a pretty shallow edge. I can definitely tell that this is a picture of a drumstick, which isn't great, but this, again, like the 45-degree angle, is like the average. That's the standard for a privacy screen. And when it comes to how many ways it blacks out of the 4, left, right, top, bottom, it only does left and right. So if you know somebody who is using privacy glass, make sure you go over the top or the bottom to see what they're looking at. And for people who do get this product, just make sure that you have a case with a higher edge so that when you're slamming your phone down, you're like, I'm not looking at prawn, Mom, you don't break your screen. The ZAGG Glass Privacy only covers the viewable area of the screen. So between the end of the screen protector and the edge of the case, it's fully exposed. So, you know, you better hope that you have a case with a good lip. Now, I do have to say that ZAGG does a great job of providing you with the right installation tools to ensure that the installation is top notch. That is something that ZAGG is very, very good. When it comes to hardness, the ZAGG product claims to have a hardness of 9H, which means that it's going to do great against a 9H pencil. But on the Mohs scale, is it going to be a hard 6 or a soft 7? So let's go mess this one up. So this is 6, and let's do it down in this corner. I'm just gonna draw the letter 6 in it. That was quick. That wasn't even that hard. You definitely see some scratching there. I would even say that's a soft 6, not even a hard 6. If we try the 7, this is just gonna mess it right up. Yeah. I would even say a soft 6, not even a hard 6. Ow, I'm poking myself. Now, every privacy screen protector reduces the brightness of the screen. With the ZAGG product, my calculation was it reduces the screen by about 27%. This testing was done by recording the Luma values of a color card before and after and doing that analysis in Final Cut Pro. Now, 27% actually is the base. This is just an incredibly average product. 45-degree blackout angle, doesn't fully black out, and it cuts your brightness of your screen down by about 30%. That's like average. You know where I'm going with the average? But ZAGG's charging you a premium price. Average product, premium price. That's ZAGG's motto. Now, when it comes to that brightness loss, there are a few that are worse, but there are basically none that are better. Now, the most subjective part about a privacy screen protector is going to be the clarity. Now, if I look close enough at the screen on my ZAGG screen protector, there's really only 2 things. There's large horizontal lines or very fine cross hatching. And on the ZAGG products, the clarity is kind of messed up a little bit by the fine cross hatching. Now, I say this is really subjective because if you're looking at the screen by itself, you probably won't notice it. But because I'm showing you with the screen protector on, with the screen protector off, you are definitely going to see a difference. Now, the last part of this review is going to deal with 2 aspects, the protection and then the edge strength. Now, the edge strength I can't do just yet. I'm in the process of building that rig. And so I will do the edge tests when I do the full roundup for the privacy screen protectors. I've got 3 other products that I'm going to review, a Spigen one, a Flowlab one, as well as one from Moshi. I went and bought a ton of really crappy ones from Amazon, so that will be kind of lumped into its own video. I'm not going to give Alan its own video. And when it comes to impact, how tough is this Zag product compared to all the other ones? So you guys know the drill. We got Bertha. Actually, Bertha's in the pocket. We got Bertha. We've got the screen protector. We're just going to figure out how tall we can drop this ball from onto the screen protector. I'm going to take it off this iPhone. Now, I've tested a bunch of other Zag products. The Zag 360 glass broke at about 93 centimeters. The Zag Defender broke at 80. And so anything above 90, I would say is quality tempered glass. Anything around 80 is just regular tempered glass. So it'll be interesting to see where this breaks. I do have a Zag Glass Elite that I found. I didn't realize I bought. And so I'm going to guess I'm reviewing that in the next while too. So I'm guessing that might be in the closer to 110 centimeters, but we'll find out. Anyways, let's get this over with. Let's start with 68. Not even 68. Oh man. You dropped in this thing. Way to go, Aaron. Oh man. That's so bad. So that's surprising. This is 50 centimeters and this thing is just getting wrecked by this steel ball. So like this isn't even good glass. Like this glass that's on this privacy screen protector by Zag, it's no better than I think the stuff from Jettech or ESR, which is brutal. Though I am curious, this is the first privacy glass screen protector. No? Have I broke the other ones? I don't remember. Guess I'll do the Spigen one next. So that's all I got for this video. If you found it useful, consider getting all your products through my links. Again, couple $100 worth of Zag glass. They don't give me anything. Probably because I tell it how it is. Mediocre products, premium prices, that value does not match. Sorry, Zag. First time watching one of my videos, I do encourage you to click subscribe. This is part of the isolation video series where I'm producing one video a day for at most, I think, for 120 days, because it takes a lot of work to produce one of these videos every single day. That's kind of all I got. Can you hear Monty breathing? It's so loud. You like what we do? Share the video with people who might enjoy what we do. Was that a good decision, Monty, to sit backwards like that? Do you regret it? Nobody could see your face?